is going to end this. Make sure you have Adobe. You want the Adobe Acrobat Pro. And if you are working in on a laptop where you already have it installed, but maybe not have the tool, you want to search under Tools, and you could search. And so these may be some standard ones that you have. Search for the tool Prepare, and then you'll see Prepare Form. I've already downloaded mine, installed that add-on, so it's not there, but it will look like this for you if you don't have it. If you do, you can just click Open or Edit if you're already currently in the document. So this is the document I started off with. It was a PDF form for students to print off and be able to complete the assignments. They, however, definitely couldn't type in it, so I made it a fillable document with now boxes that are in the designated areas to complete the worksheets. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this. So again, you're probably starting off with nothing. You're going to open up your document, or you can go into, again, Tools, Prepare, and then Open. Whatever document you want to work with. I'm going to select the file. So I'm going to do week 3 for this assignment. Open it up, Start. And in some cases, depending on how your PDF was created, there may be parts of the worksheet that are already provided for you. So students could type in these boxes with no problem here, because the blue area lets me know that I can type in those. These areas are not designated as text areas, so I'll go and check those. If you have any additional ones and you want to make sure that they don't show up, and I'm scrolling through quickly, but I'll slow down. So like this is not an area someone's going to be able to type in, so I'm just going to click and delete it out. Okay. I could make this a text area, so here I could go to this tool that has the T, add a text field. I'm going to drop it right in this section. I can move it out a little bit further. And then that's going to be an area where a student can type. So same thing with these blanks. Here you have all these multiple lines where each line is a separate blank. I can do it that way, or I can simply just take the text field, drop it here, and make it tall enough and wide enough for the student. You don't want to copy and paste, because what's going to happen is it's going to copy the exact same text box and number, and on the back end, it's going to, for students typing in it, so I'll show you. If I'm going into the edit area and then I copy this and I try to paste it as a shortcut and I preview, what ends up happening is whatever I type in this space will show up on the bottom here. So you don't want to copy and paste the boxes. It's a little bit more work. It's more tedious than it is hard. But you want to make sure that as you're creating the boxes, you're doing one separately. Now, also another thing, if you want to make it clean, I could edit my PDF first. So if I do this, I can take out this block, and then I could go in and do my edits. I'm going to take out all these spaces. And I just do a few, so that's to show you how to do it. So I did those first 3 questions. I'm closing out of this, and then I could go back and do preparing my document. I don't know if the tool is up. Shows up, so I'm going to go find tool and prepare form. And now I'm going to go back to my text box. So that looks a little cleaner than having the lines. And then I would do the same thing again. Don't copy and paste. And this is for students that can't print out, but they can work on the document from their phones or other mobile device or their laptop. So now when I preview, they can type in the space and it doesn't duplicate. Okay, so this is how you can convert your PDF file. When you're done, save it as you would any other PDF. And just as I showed you with the earlier document I had worked on, it shows up as fillable spaces. Okay, hope this helps.